Chicago Reacts back with another review, taste test review. Same thing to me. We got some cotton candy. We got some cotton candy. We got a 3-inch snake, 3-foot snake. He might bite y'all. I don't want to get on y'all head, you know. But enjoy life, smile every day. Forget what the next got to say. We got some cotton candy. We got some pink vanilla. My bad. Pink vanilla, blue raspberry. See that? That's what it is. We got some Dr. Pepper. You know, Dr. Pepper is what everybody like. See that? And we got some Hawaiian Punch cotton candy. Let's get it. See that? Nah, I know. It might be new to me, but old to y'all, because y'all probably ever had it before. But I'm not a big fan of cotton candy, but I'm just gonna take just a little bit of it. I'm not a big fan of sweets either, but I'm gonna bite the head off of this snake. See, that's what this is right here. I got this from Eddie's World. You know, like Wayne's World, Party Time, Excellent. It's Eddie's World. My bad. It's all extra hard, man. Y'all go ahead and take y'all first bite of that. Where you get that? Okay. Go ahead and you know, I should have did the cotton candy first. It's gonna take all day. How was y'all day? How was y'all morning? How was y'all morning? What y'all eat last night for dinner? Remember, drink y'all water. Lukewarm water, hot water, cold water. Without water, as long as it's water. It's all right. It's kind of hard. It's good though. I don't go front. It's kind of good. I'm gonna try this first. It's only like $2.99. Oh my, this is good. I think it's awesome. Go ahead, share it. You got it? Okay. You know what? I ain't tasted cotton candy in a long time. But do it supposed to melt in your mouth that fast? It's blue kind. It's going that fast. It don't taste like what it says on here. I'm just being real. But for y'all kiddies out there, grown folks that like cotton candy, I'll taste that for y'all. And I say it's a no for me. I'm gonna taste this Hawaiian Punch. You know what I'm saying? I knew why I didn't like cotton candy. Y'all go get some of that. It should have been red. It looked like it's pink. Get y'all some. Come on. I ain't stands, you know I sell. Okay. Whatever. I don't know why they be cheating, folks. They don't taste nothing like no Hawaiian Punch. But we're gonna get into this right here and see what this is all about. It better taste like some pop. So I'm gonna have to really complain about them folks down there, you know? We're gonna get y'all some of that. We scoot it up some so y'all can really get a piece of that. We're gonna taste this all together. They got a nerve to have it the same color as a really Dr. Pepper. This look like, you know what it look like somebody's couch. Get y'all some of that. It look like somebody's couch, like, you know how it be the cotton in the couch? This should look like. I'm being real. I'm gonna get a little piece of this. This even horrible worse than that. Wait. It was just for a review anyway. Our little snake was $4.99. A snake better than all 3 of these, to be honest with you. You know, once in the try or something. But like, comment, subscribe, share, comment down below. Let me know what you thought we me to do next. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting in order what I think about these. Okay? We got about, I'm saying cotton candy, it feel good though. You know what I'm saying? This is horrible. This is nasty too. This is a toss up between these two. This is a toss up. So, the snake one, I had to bite the head off because we don't need no snakes around, you feel me? Cotton candy, Hawaiian punch. It's horrible right here. Don't waste y'all money ever on this. It was the reason why I stopped eating it. I think I was just getting bad teeth or something. My taste bud off, I don't know. But, like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know what y'all think about this. Hit the little bell. There's a little bell somewhere on there. Let me know what y'all think about this. I'm about to kill this candy though. That's it, son.